how to upload PDF file to WIX website. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a PDF file to your WIX website. It's super simple, so let's get started. But before we move on to the video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Now let's move on towards the video. First, you need to head over to your browser, and once you are here, you can see that I am on my WIX website. Now that you are in the website, you need to simply go ahead and click on Add Elements option over here. From here, you can add a button. You can simply rename the button to Download PDF, and once you do that, you need to simply go ahead and click on Choose a Link. Then you need to select Document from here. Once you do that, you need to click on Choose File. Now you need to simply go ahead and click on Upload Media. You can upload media from different apps over here. Here I'm going to upload the media from computer. Once you are here, you need to go ahead and select the PDF that you are willing to upload, and then you need to click on Open. As the PDF has been uploaded, you need to simply go ahead and click on Add to Page, and once it's done, you need to click on Done. As you can see that the PDF has been added to your website. Now in order to check, you need to simply go ahead and click on Preview option over here. Now you need to simply go ahead and click on Download PDF, and this will open up the PDF that we have added before on our website. And that's it, you now know how to upload PDF on your WIX website. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.